In this video, I'll show you how to blog on Payhip to promote your digital product. Hi and welcome to this channel. So this is a series video on Payhip and I have Payhip tutorial here. That's if you haven't used Payhip before, this is the right video for you. And also if you want to know how to customize your Payhip store, this video will help you. So I'll drop these links in the description box. All right, so let's get started. All right, so you can access your blog from store or scroll down and you can access it down here, manage blog post. Okay, so it's up to you, but I'll show you from store. Click on it, then this is it, blog post. Okay, but so click blog post, then add blog. All right, so this is it. Now I'll go back and I'll show you how to access from the bottom section. So when you click manage blog post, then click add blog post. All right, so it's the same, it's up to you the way you want to use it. To post, click on add first post, then your title will come here. All right, so this is the title, then the body. So this is the body text of the blog, and I formatted everything just to save time, and I've linked. So to link, let's say I want to link this one. All right, let me push this. You click and push it down. All right, now to link, I'll highlight the affiliate marketing, and this is the link. So click on the link, drop your affiliate link or whatever link you want to redirect people to. Then if you want to add, open in a new tab, you click here, then you save. All right, that's how you do it. Then it's gonna check it out with a color like this, but highlight everything again and then bold it. Okay, just so you're gonna stand out. Yeah, and don't add too much links. All right, just one or two, that's enough. Okay, and because you want people to enjoy reading, right? Now if you want to add content image, that's inside the content. So let's say this section, I'll push it down, then you're gonna go up here, then just insert. Okay, when you click insert, then you're gonna upload the URL. I prefer to do it in Canva. All right, then if you want to add video, it's the same procedure. Okay, to add the video, you just click here, then upload the video or go to URL and drop the video link. All right, so let's keep going. Now to add the image, click here, and it's 1260 pixels. All right, so it's gonna look like this, but to begin you have to create customized size. All right, so see, 1260 by 1260, that's how you do that. Let's go back. All right, so click on it and upload. All right, so I'm gonna use this, and visibility, yeah, it has to be visible. This is something I have there already, so I'll use create new. Let me say online business, scroll down, advanced, check include author, Blogsdom, then add post. So I have it here, manage blog. Let's view it, click view. Okay, so this is it, looks nice, and let's view the blog itself. Okay, this size is too big, but that's how they want it. Okay, so this is it, and this is the link. All right, so let me close it. So let's try and add a new one, add new blog post. This is the title and this is the body of the text. So let's scroll down, and I've added my link here like I showed you earlier on, and this one as well. All right, so upload image, click on it, open. I use a YouTube thumbnail size, and when you see the red check, the red X, don't worry, visible, and I want it to be still under this, but if you want another category you can change it. From my previous experience, when you try and create another one, this system messes, but let me see. All right, I'll still put it under business. I want to make sure this thing gonna work. Add post. All right, and let's view. So go here. Okay, so this is it. See, I prefer the YouTube thumbnail size. Let me show you that. This is the YouTube thumbnail size. I prefer that one than what they have. Let me show you, is this one. This is what they recommend. I don't want that, so in future I can change it. I prefer this side. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so when that is done, next is to manage the blogs. So click on manage blogs and click on the category, that's the category title, and I put everything under online business. Comments are disabled. Now I have to allow comment, but only publish after moderation. All right, allow comments and publish them automatically. That means people can spam or comment anything, which is not good. But comments must be moderate. Okay, then advanced customized blog URL. All right, so this blog session is under online business. All right, then save changes. All right, so next we have to go to dashboard, scroll down and go to launch your store builder. All right, you see how it looks here. I have to change this one. It looks weird. So first of all, let me change it. Go in and replace image. Click on it, open. Okay. I'll use this one instead and I'll save. Okay, so back to manage blogs. This step, please, you don't have to miss it. If you miss this step, you're gonna mess up everything. I'll show you. See the steps here? Yeah. All right, so let's save again because I came back here, so I have to do that. Now let's go to dashboard, scroll down. All right, so now it looks better. Okay, all right, next we have to manage blog post. So click on it, manage blog. All right, so online business under blog. These are the products I have. So these are the digital products I'm selling at the moment. You can support me by checking out my shop. Buy one product to support my shop. Thank you. All right, this is about YouTube. This is about affiliate marketing. So these two products are the reason why I've created this blog post, just so people can read, and at the end I would redirect them to these books. All right, so on the left we have to go to collection page. So click on it, scroll down. All right, so this is a blog page we've created. All right, so those two articles are inside this online business. Click on it. All right, so as you can tell, I have this post here. Okay, now let me show you something. So next we're gonna go to blog. All right, so we have grade. I've set it up already, but if not, you can click on it. By default it's side by side or something like that, so you see. Yeah, see, it's gonna look funny like this, but I prefer grade. Whatever it is, you can use what you want. A single column I'll show you. So this will be the single column. If you prefer single column, that's up to you, but I prefer grid. Then scroll down. So page spacing, if you want 2, yeah, it's gonna be like this. Okay, with a lot of text, everything is big. If you want 4, it's gonna be smaller, but I think 3 is better. I think I'll go with the 2. Now, I think I like it this way. All right, later on I can change it if I want. Spacing and all this, I don't touch any of this. Just leave it the way it is. The aspect ratio, I've switched it to adapt, but you can change it to 1:1 square just in case you want that. But I don't know if you want this one. I don't want that. I'll go to adapt, or you can go to standard. Yeah, I think standard is better. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I'll go back to adapt and see. No, I prefer standard. Yeah, I'll go with standard. All right, then keep going. Test. See how it's on left. By default they have it center. I don't want center. I prefer left. Yeah, if you want on the right, which is not good. Okay, so I prefer left. Yeah, and you can play with the title spacing and all that, but I prefer you leave things the way it is. Okay, but you can play with it and just push it to the limit. Then when all is done, click save changes. Your changes have been saved and it's done. Publish it. All right, so visit your store. Bam. So this is my store. For those of you who don't know me, this is me right there. We're gonna go to blog and check blog not found. Okay, all right, so this is it. Let's view individually. All right, so I have it. It's working. Everything is good. Let's go back, right click to view. Okay, see, this one too looks good. I need to fix it, so go back. So when you scroll down, the blocks are here perfectly. So click launch your store. So under collection, if you don't see collection, make sure you see it. Okay, and you remember I clicked collection page and I edited the block from here. When that is done, you have to come to header and go to navigation link, edit navigation link. So you see the blog, click on it. See this thing here, we have the blog, but this is a link I created before. I'm gonna take this off, select blog, then you see this online business, select it. So in your case it's gonna be something else. All right, edit navigation link, apply changes, save changes. I know a lot of steps you have to take, and when that is done, then publish it. So visit store. Let me close this one. All right, so now this is the store. So when I click on blog, guess what? It's here. Ta-da! All right, so if you found value in this video, please buy me a tea or coffee. I'll drop a link in the description box, so you can buy any of these to support me all that, but I'm planning to upload a thank you image. It's gonna be like you are buying that thank you page, but in the way you are donating or you are supporting me. All right, so thank you so much for your time. I wish